Yes. Before proceeding towards the class, I would like to share with you that you people have to solve your multiple choice question in the today's online class, and all the you can say MCQs is based upon your logical understanding. Okay. So I am proceeding towards the class, beta. Okay. You all can see on your screen. It is obvious. Here we have, this is just mention a class test. I could pick it up as your class practice. Okay. So I will not consider is a test. आप लोग इसकी प्रैक्टिस करें एटलीस्ट टेस्ट क्या होता है जब तक हमें कोई चीज़ अच्छी सी आती है वी कैन सॉल्व इट वी कैन हम उसको जो है वो अपना टेस्ट समझ लेते हैं बट इफ़ यू आर अनेबल टू सॉल्व अनेबल टू आंसर तो वो आपके लिए ड्रॉबैक हो जाता है so testing should be every time. You need to solve many MCQs. I will proceed towards the first one. अच्छा meanwhile मैं आप लोगों को साथ साथ इसको explain भी करूंगी but I want your answers first. Debenture is also named as we have options over here shares, bond, equity, reserve. On your screen you have two MCQs right now. The second one, the amount received in excess of the face value of the shares is transferred to which of the following? Acha ji, excess value means you are receiving more than the face value. Okay, face value, it means the value of the share which is mentioned on the share price. ठीक है जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं यूजली आप लोगों के लेवल पे सेकेंडरी लेवल पे वी आर कंसिडरिंग द शेयर प्राइस ₹10 ईच और डिबेंचर के ले रहे होते हैं हम लोग ₹100. ठीक है अच्छा जी अब आप लोगों ने देखना क्या है कि एक्सेस प्राइस को मोर देन द फेस वैल्यू वाली प्राइस को हम क्या कहते हैं द अमाउंट रिसीव्ड इन एक्सेस ऑफ द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर्स इज ट्रांसफर टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कौन से अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर होता है शेयर प्रीमियम के अकाउंट में शेयर होल्डर के अकाउंट में शेयर कैपिटल और राइट शेयर सो बी केयरफुल व्हाइल यू आर राइटिंग योर आंसर्स. Now I proceed towards your MCQs number 3. The maximum amount with which the company is registered is called dash. It is the most repeated MCQs of your past papers. ठीक है past papers का most repeated MCQs है बेटा ये the maximum amount with which the company is registered is called dash. Authorized share capital, issue share capital, paid up capital and called up capital. इसके लिए मैं आप लोगों को बताऊं कि जब हम लोग इश्यूएंस ऑफ शेयर्स का चैप्टर पढ़ रहे थे तो उसके स्टार्टिंग में टाइप्स ऑफ कैपिटल्स हैं जो कि आपने अपने एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अपने पास अभी भी अपने रजिस्टर्स में नोट डाउन कर लीजिए कि फ्रॉम द एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आप लोगों ने टाइप्स ऑफ शेयर्स यानी टाइप्स ऑफ कैपिटल्स को बहुत अच्छे से गो थ्रू करना है. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द टाइप्स ऑफ कैपिटल्स and you must know the definitions of the types of capital like authorized share capital, issued share capital, paid up, subscribed capital, called up capital. These are the types which is mentioned in the start of your chapter, the first page of the chapter issuance of shares and debentures. Okay, so they were asking the maximum amount. I hope so you all can find the correct answer. Then the fourth one, which of the following is correct if depreciation is given in trial balance? Now you have to pick up the appropriate statement. It means depreciation has already been deducted from concerned asset account. It will be shown as an expense in income statement only. It will not be deducted from concerned asset in balance sheet. Or in the last one, you can say all of the given options are correct. Yes. It is you can say technical understanding. You must know कि depreciation trial balance में हम लोग कब record करते हैं before deduction, after deduction, in both the ways, or it is just related to your asset account. So here I would like to share with you the depreciation is reduction in the value of fixed assets. दो formulas मैं आप लोगों के साथ अक्सर discuss करती हूँ. We were discussing the two formulas repeatedly in the class, that total cost minus accumulated depreciation is equals to book value, and total cost minus salvage value is your depreciable cost. ठीक है. So when you are deducting your total cost and your salvage value, you will get the answer of depreciable cost. Now I proceed further. You people have find out the answers correctly. Till 4 we have done. Now you can see on your screen. I try to get the seventh one also. Yes, hope so the screen is clear to everyone. To do, let's come towards your MCQs number 5. Which of the following journal entry will be recorded if cash is drawn by the proprietor? You all must know that proprietor is a person, is a businessman. So this can be treated as you have done in your first year intermediate. जब आप लोग अपने ICOM part 1 में थे, so you people have done many times cash is drawn by the proprietor. This journal entry is related to the chapter of second year partnership formation, and you can get such type of MCQs when you are preparing from partnership formation. So the first option is proprietor's drawings account is debited and cash account credited. The second one is cash account debited and proprietor's drawing account is credited. The fourth one is proprietor's capital debited and proprietor's drawing credited. Then we have the another one. We have proprietor's drawing is debited and proprietor's capital account is credited. So what you people have to do, you have to understand that whenever we are doing the drawings, whenever we withdrew the amount from the business, then what will be your appropriate entry? Okay, so you have to choose the appropriate one, journal entry, or you can say a double entry. As I have discussed with you in the previous classes also, that in accounting, whenever we have transaction, usually we are recording that transaction in the double entry or in the you can say in the books of accounts of general journal. Now number 6, which of the following account will be credited? Here they are talking about the credited one. Okay, this one is the credited one. The account which will be credited when typewriter is sold that has been used in the office. So you have to take care that in the office means they were talking about the business. Okay, when a typewriter is sold that has been used in the office, it means related to your business. We have cash account over here, we have sales account over here. I'm moving my cursor also. Then we have purchase account, and the fourth one we have office equipment account. So when a typewriter is selling out of your business, you have to record the appropriate journal entry in your mind. आप अपने दिमाग में बेटे सबसे पहले ये सोचेंगे कि हमारे पास इसकी करेक्ट जर्नल एंट्री क्या फॉर्म्ड होनी चाहिए थी. जब आपने ये बात सोच ली है तो उस करेक्ट जर्नल एंट्री में जो अभी आपके पास अकाउंट क्रेडिट हो रहा है आपने उसको पिक इट अप करना है. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू केयरफुल कि क्रेडिटेड वाले को आपने लिखना है. Now, the seventh one, which of the following option is true about the characteristics of bad debts? As you all know कि bad debts में आपको बताती हूँ, bad means बुरा and debts means कर्जा. Here DEBT, B is silent over here. इसको हम debts पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, सो बैड डेट्स इज योर यू कैन से बुरा कर्जा, वो पैसे जो आपने किसी को उधार पे दिए हैं और वो आपके पास रिटर्न ऑफ नहीं होते हैं, पे बैक नहीं होते हैं, सो दैट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज योर बैड डेट्स. The options is it is a definite loss to the business, it is not shown in the balance sheet, no provision is necessary for it, and then all of the given option. So focus on your answers. I'm giving you some time. आगे प्रोसीड करते हैं. ओके गर्ल्स, आई एम प्रोसीडिंग फर्दर. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, फोकस्ड ऑन योर एमसीक्यूज. यस स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव योर एमसीक्यूज नंबर 8 9 on your screen. I will try to have the another one also. Agar no, if I switch towards more, I cannot get the answers. ठीक है, you have to solve only 8 9 10 cannot be done over here. Depreciable value of an asset is equal to dash. Yes, currently right now I have discussed the you can say formula just 2 minutes before, I have discussed the formula for the depreciable value or the depreciable cost. So here we have cost plus scrap value, cost plus market value, cost minus the scrap value, none of the given option. In number 9, if a business pays rent in advance for 12 months, it will be treated as prepaid expense of the business, long term liability of business, fixed assets, and then current liability of the business. It is also a very good question क्योंकि usually आप लोग के पास single entry में when you have assets and expense, अभी आप लोग जब single entry का topic discuss करते हैं, so in single entry we usually have adjustments and those adjustments are related to your assets and expense. हमारे पास दो अकाउंट होते हैं, 5 नेचर ऑफ अकाउंट्स में से एसेट्स, एक्सपेंस, लाइबिलिटी, कैपिटल एंड रेवेन्यू, जिसमें से दो आपके पास नेचर ऑफ अकाउंट ऐसे होते हैं जो कि एडजस्ट होते हैं इनकम स्टेटमेंट में या स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में। वो होते हैं आपके एक्सपेंस एंड रेवेन्यू और उनकी एडजस्टमेंट्स थ्रू होती हैं एसेट्स और लाइबिलिटी। ठीक है, बिजनेस पे करे रेंट फॉर द 12 months, then it will be treated as void, and that rent is paid in advance, pays rent in advance, will be treated as your prepaid expense, long-term liability, fixed assets, or current liabilities. It is easiest one if you are aware about the accounting terminologies. I proceed further. Which of the following asset is not depreciated? Factory building, office equipment, plant machinery, and land. Again, you it is also related to your single entry and partnership formation. It covers the chapter, two chapters it is covering. The single entry, because single entry में आप लोगों को अक्सर adjustments आती है. Fixed assets depreciated 10% or blah blah percent. So you have to keep this thing in mind that fixed assets include your building, furniture, machinery, vehicle, but not your land. Okay. So, I give you the answer. Then, number 11, we have here, yes. Which of the following is not true about the revenue expenditure? अच्छा जी, ये जो ऑप्शन है ना, दिस इज, ये ऑप्शन नहीं है बच्चों, दिस इज नॉट द ऑप्शन, ये एंटर प्रेस हो गया मुझसे. Which of the following is not true about the revenue expenditure? Now your option starts from here. Here I'm moving my cursor. These are the running expenses of the business. They improve financial position of the business. They reduce the profit of the concern. They do not appear in the balance sheet. Here we have the four options. They are running expenses of the business. They improve the financial position of the business. They reduce the profit of the concern. They do not appear in the balance sheet. Okay, now you have to choose the appropriate one. MCQs number 12, we have which one of the following is not true about capital expenditure? Which one is not true? So you have to choose the wrong one. Okay. So when you have the question which one of the following is not true, तो इसका मतलब आपने wrong जो statement है वो pick करनी है. ठीक है. We have creates future, the capital expenditure create करता है future benefits. Incurred to acquire fixed asset, incur means हासिल करना, to own. Incurred to increase the economic life of existing fixed assets. You have to focus the English. In transactions को, statements को please सोचिएगा that what is the actual meaning is going on. Increase the economic life of fixed assets, reduce the profit of the concern. It is a very good MCQs, and they are asking which one is not true. Okay, it means all the three options are correct. One is wrong. The capital expenditure reduce the profit for of the concern, incurred to acquire fixed asset, create future benefits, incurred to increase economic life, and then blah blah blah. Okay, I proceed further. Hope so you people have done it. Students, be quick. We have to discuss answers also. We have the 14 one. If a business purchase machinery for rupees 30,000 on January 31st, 2008, Having life of 10 years, this expense will be realized dash under the concept of accrual accounting. It is a very good MCQs. You people have to literally focus on it. So students, make sure the date of the asset is given, the cost of the asset is given, the life of the asset is given. Three things I have discussed with you right now: the date of the purchase, the cost of the fixed assets, and the life. This expense will be realized dash under the concept of accrual accounting. Okay, you must know what is accrual means. Accrued, accrual. For the year 2008 only, for the last day of 10th year only, over 10 years, nothing can be said about it. If a business purchased machinery for 30,000 on 31st December 2008, having life of 10 years, this expense will be realized as dash. Now you have to find out the correct answer. I proceed further. Now I proceed further towards the MCQs number 15. On your screen you have 15, 16, and 17 MCQs 3 on your screen. While making income and expenditure account, excess of income or expense is in a specified accounting period is called dash. It will be a profit, it will be a loss, it will be a surplus, or it will be a deficit. Then number 16, which of the following entities is not profit oriented entity? Okay. Sole proprietor business, the partnership, companies and welfare foundation. This is related to partnership formation. ठीक है. एनपीओस जब आप लोग करते हैं रिसेप्शन पेमेंट्स का क्वेश्चन, ये आपके नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से भी रिलेटेड है और पार्टनरशिप फॉर्मेशन से भी रिलेटेड है, बिकॉज दे आर आस्किंग द टाइप्स ऑफ द बिजनेस. सो इफ यू नो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन तो आप अपने करेक्ट चैप्टर को भी चूज कर सकेंगे. Which of the following entity is not profit oriented entity? Sole proprietor, partnership companies and welfare foundations. So this will be related to your chapter of your book, Receipts and Payments. And MCQ number 17. Rupees 5,000 spent on the replacement of worn out parts of the machinery is charged to dash. 5,000 spent on the replacement of worn out parts of the machinery is charged to capital expenditure, revenue expenditure, only expenditure, or the revenue. Hurry up, students. We have MCQ number 18 on your screen. Which of the following is, wait for a while. Which of the following is not incurred repeatedly and regularly? Which of the following is not incurred? So again, when the word is not, so you have to choose the, yes. So you have to choose the, you can say the negative one. Wait for a while. Capital expenditure, revenue expenditure, short term expenditure, current expenditure. Then we have which of the following is not incurred repeatedly and regularly. अच्छा, इसमें से नंबर 19 जो है ना हमारे पास is not हटा दीजिए, सिर्फ is कर दीजिए on number 19. Which of the following is incurred? Okay, here you have to, ये जो आपने not है ना बेटे, इसको please kindly cut कर दीजिएगा. अच्छा, number 18 which of the following is not, and number 19 which of the following is incurred repeatedly and regularly. ठीक है. And then we have number 20, which of the following represents the total par value of the shares offered to the general public for contribution. It is a very good MCQs because you people are a little bit feeling yourself weaken in the chapter issuance of shares and debentures. अब आपने यहाँ पे सोचना है कि कौन सा ऐसा है जो कि रिप्रेजेंट करता है टोटल पार वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर्स. ठीक है. जनरल पब्लिक को तो हम शेयर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन के लिए देते हैं, ऑफर टू द जनरल पब्लिक फॉर कंट्रीब्यूशन। उसके लिए आपके पास जो टोटल पार वैल्यू ऑफ शेयर्स है वो क्या होगा? रजिस्टर्ड कैपिटल होगा, इशूड कैपिटल होगा, सब्सक्राइब कैपिटल होगा, या पेड अप कैपिटल है? you have to find out the appropriate। बस इसमें कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखिएगा अपने पास इशुएंस ऑफ शेयर्स का, then you can solve it very well। अगेन आपको जो आपकी जितनी भी थ्योरी है, थ्योरेटिकल बैकग्राउंड्स है, उसका रिविजन आपके एमसीक्यूज के थ्रू हो जाता है। so you have to focus the total par value of shares then offer to the general public is normal। here you have to choose the appropriate answers। Yes, this is all for today. We have discussed in the today's class 20 MCQs. Hope so you people are able to find out the correct answers. And that's it. This is all for today.